What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to create and edit your roles in your Discord server. Now I'm on the Discord app for this one, but this also works if you're on desktop Discord as well. So first things first, you're just going to launch your Discord platform. Now once you're in the application, you're just going to want to hit the three little dots in the upper right hand corner of your server, right next to your server name. And then from there, you're going to go into your settings and then manage the server. And then from there, you could also see a button for the roles. You're just going to hit on that. And now from this screen here, you could create a new role. Right at the top there, you could just edit the role name for what you want it to appear as for all the members in the server. And you could also set a color for the appearance of the role. So when you click on the role, it's going to be highlighted in whatever color you set. I just added a little purple flare. Once you create the role, it's going to take you to this screen here where you could kind of just edit the permissions. There's either cosmetic, member, moderator, or a manager. Usually you're going to want cosmetic or member unless this is an administrator role. From there, you could also add the people to the role. And then once you get taken to this screen here, you could click on whatever role you want to edit and just click on the display and also manage the individual permissions. And then all the way to the right there, you are going to see the add members feature where you could just search for some members in your Discord to add to the role. I just added a random person there, and they will be having the member role now in the Discord server. When you pull up their name, you will see it under their name and in their server roles. That's pretty much all there is to it, though, when it comes to assigning and editing roles on your Discord server. I know this is a lot of information to take in, so if you had any questions or were confused, or you want to know about anything regarding roles on Discord, please be sure to let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.